Hey guys, and welcome to the third DevBlog for a game I'm calling Throne of Tribes. Now the first day that I actually implemented something was on Tuesday, and I wanted to make it so that as the player hit a resource, it would actually get added to his inventory. So in this example, the regular sword gives 5 per smack, while the double-handed sword actually gives 10. Now on Wednesday, I actually made it to where if you hit a resource and it hit 0, then it would actually get destroyed. And on top of this, I also added a skybox. Which brings us to Thursday. I wanted to make resource harvesting a more satisfying experience for the players, so what I did was I came up with this idea to where as the resources get depleted, different parts would actually pop off the node, and I think it made it look really good. Now the last day I worked on this was on Saturday. What I wanted to do on Saturday was actually rework the trees to where they also utilize the system I made for the rocks. As you can see, trees will lose their leaves as they go down in health, and they will actually fall over at the end. Now the next thing I did was I made it so that as the resources spawn, they'll actually inherit the rotation of the normal they spawn on, which means that if they spawn on a slope that has a 45-degree angle, they will also inherit that 45-degree angle. It makes it so that the landscape's a little bit more diverse, and I really like the way that it looks. Now the last thing that I added was clouds, and they really make the scene feel more alive, which is what I like about them. And that actually brings us to the end of the video. I actually have one more announcement to make, and that is that I now have a Discord server. So if you enjoy the kind of content I release, then you can go ahead and find me over there. If you watch my tutorial videos, then hopefully it'll be a really good place for you to get help. If you guys are interested in more dev blogs, then come check back in a week. I do these every week, and hopefully there's going to be some content for you to watch there.